Hello everyone. Today we are making a magical garden in a small box. Let us see the procedure. To make a magical garden, we need a cardboard box, some artificial flowers and two mirrors. Take one plain mirror and scratch the center of the plain mirror like this. And place this plain mirror at one end of the box. Now make a small hole on the cardboard such that the scratched part of the plain mirror coincides with the hole of the cardboard, so that we can pass the light through this hole into the box. Now place two plain mirrors into the box such that their reflecting surfaces face each other. And place some flowers in the box and make some holes in the lid part of the cardboard so that we can see the magical garden. Your magical garden is ready. Now pass the light through the hole on the side of the cardboard and observe the garden through the holes on the lid of the cardboard. When you look through the holes on the lid of the cardboard, you can see a vast, beautiful garden. This happens as the light enters the box, falls on the flowers, get reflected and travel in all directions. The rays which fall on the mirrors reflect back to opposite mirror. This happens multiple times. This multiple reflection creates a wonderful and beautiful vast garden in a small area.